Tool Pros Podcast.
All right, guys, it's giveaway time with the Tool Pros Podcast. This is a giveaway strictly and exclusively for our YouTube channel and our YouTube subscribers. So, guys, what we got here is we got a DeWalt DCN 701 wire stapler. This can be used for Romex, MC cable, coax cable, thermostat wire, all kind of things. I've even seen guys do double Romex, triple Romex, so it's pretty cool. Guys, what we're going to be giving away, we're going to be giving away the tool, which is the DCN 701. You get a battery, a charger, and the soft case. So, guys, it's really simple how to enter the contest. Very simple. You have to subscribe to the Tool Pros Podcast and then leave a comment down below on what you would use this tool for. Would you use it around the house? Would you use it on a new construction job site? Would you use it running control wiring? Just let us know what you would use it for, and that's all we need. We're going to do a random comment picker 1 week from today. So, guys, good luck, and I hope you win.